we have here a sulfuric acid solution containing 571.4 grams of dihydrogen sulfate. Yan, per liter of solution, has a density of 1.329 grams. Okay, excuse me, 1.329 grams per cubic centimeter. Calculate the molality of dihydrogen sulfate in this solution. Okay, before we use our formula for molality, okay, again, the molality of a solution is equal to the mole of solute, right, over, okay, over the kilograms of solvent. Okay, so we don't have yet mole of the solute. Okay, so solute here is the um, dihydrogen sulfate, right? Okay, so solute here again is the dihydrogen sulfate. Okay, and then we need to get also the kilogram of solvent. Okay, so we only have the density of the solution, the volume of the solution, and the mass of the solute. Okay, so first let us get the mole of the solute by getting the molar mass first of hydrogen disulfate. Okay, again, the molar mass of a compound is the sum of all the molar mass sa iyahang components or element nga nag-compose sa iyaha. So in dihydrogen sulfate na atay hydrogen, no? Duha ka atoms of hydrogen, isa ka atom of sulfur, okay? One atom of sulfur and four atoms of four atoms of oxygen, right? As you can see in the subscript. Okay? So the molar mass of the element hydrogen is 1.008 grams per mole. For sulfur, we have the molar mass of sulfur. If you're going to look at the periodic table, that will be 32.06 grams per mole. And for oxygen, it has 15.999 grams per mole. Okay? So, ganun, i-multiply nato sa duha, 1 o 4, because hydrogen has 2 atoms in dihydrogen sulfate. Okay? Napo isa ka atom sa sulfur, unay upat ka atom sa oxygen as represented by the subscript. Okay? So, 2 times 1.008, that will be 2.016. Okay? 2.016 grams per mole. Okay, 1 lang man, so that will, as is lang, 32.06 grams per mole. Then 4 times 15, 9999. 999 na di ay. That will give us
996.
63.996 grams per mole. Okay, so we will add that one to get the molar mass of dihydrogen sulfate. So that will be
98.072.
98.072 grams per mole. So this is now the molar mass of dihydrogen sulfate. Okay? So to get the number of moles sa ato ang um, solute, which is dihydrogen sulfate, no, we will use the molar mass at saka yung mass ng solute natin. So we have 571.4 grams kini siya of dihydrogen sulfate, okay, over 1. Multiplied nato siya sa iyang molar mass, no? So sa isa ka mole, ayan, sa isa ka mole sa dihydrogen sulfate, right, na ay pila ka grams? 98.072
98.072.
grams of dihydrogen sulfate. Okay? So we can cancel grams, and nabili lang natin na unit is si mole. So 571.4 times 1 mole, that is 571.4 mole divided by 98. Okay, ato na round off into three significant figures. That will be 5.83 mole of
83.
um, dihydrogen sulfate. Okay? So, naana tayo mole of our solute, no? Check na. Okay? The next that we are going to get is the kilogram of the solvent. Okay? How are we going to get that one? Muna inyong gikalisdan, right? Let's have another, so we are going to get um, the mass of the solvent. Okay? So again, let me write first the formula. Mole of solute over the mass of, kung ano na nag-spell out hinoon. Okay? Mole of solute over the mass of solvent. Okay, so naatay mole of solute, which is this one, 5.83 mole. Okay, 5.83 mole. Ang pangitao na lang nato is si mass of solvent. Okay? Mass of solvent in terms of kilogram. Let me be specific na lang. Kilogram of solvent. Alright. Okay? So, another color. Ayan. So, we can use the formula, yung atong triangle, right? Okay? We have here, kung density itong kuhaon, atong i-divide si mass kang volume. Kung si mass atong kuhaon, atong i-multiply si density of si volume. Now, in our problem here, we have the volume of the solution, which is 1 liter, because per liter ni siya. This is now the volume of the solution. And this one here is the density of the solution. Okay? So we will multiply that one to get the mass of the entire solution. Okay? So the mass of the entire solution is equivalent to its density multiplied by its volume. Okay? So again, ang density sa entire solution is 1.329 um, grams per cubic centimeter. Okay? Ang iyang volume is 1 liter. Now again, 1 liter is equivalent to ang 1 liter, right? 1 liter is equivalent to 1,000 ml. Okay? And then ang 1 ml is equivalent to 1 cubic centimeter. Okay? Cancel liter, liter, ml, ml. So 1 liter is equivalent to, okay, 1,000 cubic centimeter. Okay? 1 times 1,000 times 1, 1,000. Divided by 1, 1,000 gihapon. Then, use the unit cubic centimeter. So, the volume here, para makancel nato siya, i-convert nato siya into cubic centimeter para makancel nato ni. And then, mabili na lang nga unit is the grams. So, we have here 1,000 cubic centimeter over 1 ang ato ang volume sa ato ang solution. Cancel cubic centimeter, cancel cubic centimeter. So the mass of the entire solution is 1.329 times 1,000. That will be 1,329 grams. Okay? This is the mass of the solution. Right? Ang atong gikinahanglan man is the mass sa solvent in kilograms. Okay? So, nana tayo mass sa solution, naapod tayo mass sa ato ang solute, right, which is 571, all we need to do to get the mass of the solvent is to subtract sa total mass sa solution ang mass ni solute. Okay, so we have here 1,329. Let's have another color na lang. Ayan. Uh, yan. So, nata din ay ang mass ni entire solution, di ba? Is 1,329 grams. Minusan nato siya og 571 571.4 grams to get the mass of our solvent. Okay? So 1329 divide minus 571.4, that will give us 757.6 grams. This is now the mass of the solvent. Okay? That is now the mass of the solvent. Now, ang atong formula is in kilogram man. So, we will convert this one into kilograms. Okay? So, all we need to do is to convert that one. 757.6 grams multiplied by sa isa ka kilogram na ay 1,000 grams. Okay, 1,000 grams. Okay, cancel si grams. Cancel si grams. Okay, let me erase that one. And then that will give us 0.7576 kilogram. Okay? So this is now ato ang gamiton to solve our molality. So we will put this one in here, 0.7576. Okay, and the answer will be pila. That's the answer. Erase this one muna.
7.95.
Okay. We will round off it into three significant figure na lang. Three significant figure. Atas na to ato ang triangle here habang may tatsulok. Okay? So 5.83 divided by 0.7576, that will be 7.69 something, right? So we will convert
Seven-
into three significant figure, and that will be 7.70
70.
mole per kilogram. And that will be our final answer.